Check this out, guys. We're doing a Hasport, right?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, this is a Hasport upper torque mount. It's gonna be going right there for the manual 2.0. You're gonna see a bracket here because we know that the 1.5 and the other one, they don't have this bracket. So you gotta take this bracket off in order to reach that. And there's two screws, bolts are here, and you're gonna need extension. If these bolts don't fit and you have this tool, try something with another one that's gonna fit. So I'm gonna show you guys what you're gonna need right now. All right, so you're gonna need 9x16. So it's gonna take all 4 bolts out, and we use the extension, of course, because it's gonna be hard to reach. Like, if you just use it without the extension, you can't take this one off. So you need the extension. So then you could go that way. It is a bit tight, so you need to use some force and take it off. And these two are already loosened, so just start, do it by hand. It's that easy. And we'll see how it goes from here. Like the whole month.
Oh, okay.
Look at this thing.
Oof. It's fucking nasty.
Yeah, this is nasty. We don't like that. Yeah, so there we go. So this one will go, let's just say up somewhere. Yeah,
it looks exactly.
No, it's this way. It's this way. Because the bigger piece was in the bottom. See that?
Yep.
So make sure the bigger piece would, well, they're all the same size up here.
They look like it.
Yeah, so it should say up on it, but it looks like they're the same.
I guess I'll do the Hasport up so it
yeah,
stands out
Hasport should be up. Yeah, go for it. It should fit right in. There you go.
I want to see how this drives.
Nice.
After this.
Yeah, there you go. It fits right there. Perfect. All right, so that's done. Pretty easy, simple. And now we're gonna go ahead and install the bottom one. So see how that one goes. And I'll show you the location of it. It's right down there. It's the same size, right?
Yeah, everything the same. It's gonna be this one back here. It's gonna be a bitch because the plastic's in the way. I'm gonna have to take these clips off.
Not necessarily. So how many? It's 2 bolts right there.
Yeah, there's 2 here, 1 here with the plastic.
Yeah.
Unless I can get around it.
All right, 1 bolt is out. The second one's coming out. And what you guys gotta do here is kind of take out the clip with the flathead screw. And you can reach the third one. I'm about to show you right now real quick. Nice. Now we gotta go for a third one, right? Alright, so here's the fillers. Flathead.
I have to pop these out.
Yeah, pop that screw out. That clip. It's almost out. Nice. Now, I don't think you have to. You just bend. Yeah, you're good. You're good, right? You got enough?
I don't know.
Yeah, you kind of pull down. Turn to see. This one. So that's the third one. You should. Alright guys, so taking off the clip won't do much, but he doesn't care, so we kind of put a small, we kind of clipped off a little bit of the plastic piece there, and it worked perfect. We didn't want to take off the whole shield and then take the clips off and all that stuff, so it's whatever. It's a really tiny hole here, and that's it. It goes straight up to the mount, so this should pop out.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
No?
Should come downwards, no? Yep. So wiggle it. Just wiggle downwards should do it. Like that. And I'm gonna give you the new one right now. All right, so here we go. We're gonna put this one in now. Simply just slide right through and put the same bolts where they initially took them off from. Now put that thing through first. Yeah, the washer. Then he will do the same thing here, put two over here, make him really tight, and we'll go for a test drive. See how it feels. All right, now we're doing a test, see how it feels. Oh yeah. Big difference, I feel it. It's more stiffer now. So when you shift your gears, it's not like it's just stiff. It's a smooth gear that's like a shift, you know? It's pretty awesome. Yeah, it's a big difference. I guess you gotta put both on. Yeah, that's nice.
You only feel the vibration when you start it.
Yeah, that's the only time you feel like very slight vibration when you start the car. That's it. But yeah, there's no crazy vibration or anything like that. So let's do a full stop here, see if I really feel the vibration or not. Nah, that's only when you start it, pretty much. Make sure you guys follow him on his IG if you got any questions. I'll put that in the description below. What is it? Sergio.soto123. Yeah, it's pretty smooth. It's a very good, definitely if you guys want to do it, go ahead, do it. It was that easy. Showed you guys a whole video on how to do it yourself.
When you come into a stop, you feel somewhat the vibration too.
Somewhat.
It's nothing
like
crazy.
Barely.
Though.
Yeah. Barely any vibration, guys. It won't bother you. You get used to it. I didn't feel it that much, so. Alright, that's it, guys. So, peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. It helped you guys out. Subscribe if you haven't already. And turn on all notifications for my channel. Appreciate that.